Welcome to this sacred space. Today, we aren't just wishing for wealth. We are aligning your internal frequency with the reality of absolute abundance. Begin by finding a position that feels both stable and effortless. Lengthen your spine, imagining a soft thread pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. And when you're ready, let your eyelids heavy and close. Draw a deep, expansive breath into the base of your lungs. Feel your ribs expand like a bellows. Hold it for a beat at the top, and let it go with a sigh. With every exhale, imagine you are shedding the weight of the day. Release the tension in your jaw. Soften your shoulders. And feel your physical form becoming heavy and grounded. You are safe. You are present. You are open to receive. Visualize a glow beginning to form at the center of your chest. It isn't just light, it is a warm, liquid gold energy. This is the frequency of well-being and infinite potential. Watch as this golden warmth flows outward. It travels down your arms to your fingertips, surges through your torso, and anchors you through your feet. You are now cocooned in an energetic field of pure possibility. Breathe in this light. As it fills your lungs, feel your sense of self-worth expanding. You are worthy of the beauty you seek. Now, shift your focus to the life you are calling in. Don't just think about wealth, feel it. What does it feel like to move through the world with total financial freedom? In your mind's eye, see the opportunities arriving. See the solved problems. The overflowing resources, and the ease with which you provide for yourself and others. This isn't a distant dream. It is a current reality waiting for your invitation. If any old stories of not enough or hardship rise up, acknowledge them with kindness, and then watch them dissolve in your golden light. They no longer serve the person you are becoming. You are a magnet for prosperity. Every cell in your body is vibrating with the truth that the universe is rigged in your favor. Feel that magnetic pull strengthening with every breath. Allow a deep sense of gratitude to wash over you. Not for what will come, but for the abundance that is already here, and the wealth that is currently on its way to you. Gratitude is the final seal on your manifestation. Take these next 2 minutes to let this gratitude sink into your being, to lock in your manifestation. I will return at the end to help you wrap up this meditation. Slowly, begin to bring your awareness back to the physical room. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the cool air against your skin. Take one last collective breath, the deepest one yet. Carry this vibration of plenty with you. It is your natural state of being. When you feel ready, gently flutter your eyes open. Return to your day with the quiet confidence of someone who knows their harvest is coming. Have a beautiful, prosperous day.
Stay